Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today's video is good news for all teachers and examiner because CBSE has announced that payment for exam duty like evaluation, invigilation and other responsibility will now be released. This is an important update for everyone involved in board exam. In this video, I will explain the detail of notice what school and teachers need to do. Now let's see in detail. So this is the official notice released by CBSE on 19 September 2025. This letter is issued to all the principal and center superintendent for those schools which are fixed as examination center by CBSE and to all the central nodal superintendent through CBSE website. Subject of this notice is launching of integrated payment system IPS for payment of remuneration pertaining to IPS center final and spot evaluation. So this is for board exam, theory board exam, and this is for paper correction for session 24-25. According to this circular, CBSE has launched the IPS system for processing payment related to remuneration and other expenses for class 10th and 12th main board exam. And in that, both centers final means theory written exam where you have done the invigilation, and second one spot evaluation, which is correction. So as an evaluator or HE or AHE, you have done the duty here. So in this regard, all the schools are requested to check the IPS portal and complete all the required data entry as soon as possible. It may be ensured that bank account detail of exam functionaries are entered accurately. So all the schools are requested to make sure all the bank detail which they are entering should be accurate. And principal must personally view the data before finalizing. So it's the responsibility of principal to verify personally all the data before finalizing. Ensure that no data of any examiner is left unfilled. So they should make sure that no examiner data should be left. Any mistake in providing bank account detail of exam functionary may result in payment being made to wrong person. So if a school enter the wrong bank detail, then the payment may be done to wrong person. In such scenario, the responsibility shall lie with the concerned principal of school and recovery of amount paid in error shall be made from them. So it's totally the responsibility of principal, and if wrong payment is done to wrong person, then that amount will be taken from the principal of that school because he has the responsibility to make sure all the data are correctly entered. Now let's see various rate payable for conduct of class 10th and 12th examination. So this is for invigilators. So first one is center superintendent. So center superintendent are of two category. One is local, means within the district, and another one they have given some particular distance. If you are more than that distance, then you will come under outside. Now what they are going to get? They are going to get 350 rupees per day remuneration with conveyance charge of 250 rupees. So if we add both, so you are going to get 600 rupees per day. This is for local. For outside, they are also going to get 600, but other than that, they are also going to get TADA because they are coming from distance place. Next one is deputy center superintendent. So they are going to get total 500 rupees per day. Then next one, assistant superintendent invigilator. Invigilator are going to get 200 plus 150, 350 rupees per day. Then assistant superintendent invigilator for CWSN room is going to get the same amount. Assistant superintendent of frisking is also going to get the same amount, means 350 rupees per day. Then clerk and support staff, they are going to get 200 rupees. Class 4 staff will get 100 rupees. And if any observer is there, so observer is also is having three category. First one, observer within municipal limit, they are going to get 1000 rupees per day. Observer duty in Delhi, they are also going to get 1000 rupees. But if observer is outside the municipal limit, they are going to get 1500 per day. And if there is any scriber, they are going to get 150 rupees per day. Every staff is going to get 75 rupees per day as a refreshment or lunch. So let us take the example of CS, Center Superintendent. So Center Superintendent will get 600 plus 75. Same with Deputy Center Superintendent will get 75, 575. Then Assistant Superintendent will get 425. This is for all this one. For clerk, they are going to get 275. For class 4, they are going to get 175. Same way, observer will also get 1075. Those are within the limit, and outside one 1575 rupees. So this is the payment for invigilation duty, all the payment related to invigilation duty for board exam. Now let's see the rate payable for spot evaluation. If you have done the evaluation duty, now let's see for the evaluation duty. So the first one is CNS, which is Chief Nodal Supervisor. So they are going to get 2000 rupees per HE. As you have already seen, in one spot evaluation center, multiple subjects are there. So multiple subject means multiple HEs are there. So each HE they are going to get 2000 rupees plus conveyance charge of 250 rupees per day. So if evaluation is going for 10 days, so they are going to get 250 into 10. Next, HE, head examiner. This is per day. They are going to get 1000 rupees per 250, means 1250 rupees per day. Then AHE for all, both for evaluator as well as coordinator. They are going to get 900 plus 250. So they are going to get 1150. Then if there is any extra AHE, especially for science and social science subject, they are the subject experts. So they are also going to get the same amount of AHE. Then examiner for class 10th theory paper. Class 10 theory paper, they are going to get 25 rupees per answer book and minimum 250 per day and conveyance charge of 250 rupees. So you need to calculate how many paper you have evaluated. Like if you have evaluated 1000 papers, so multiply it by 25. Just I have taken the example, and for how many days, so multiply that with 250. Same for class 12 theory paper, they are going to get 30 rupees per answer book and per day conveyance charge they are going to get 250 rupees. Then coordinator, per answer book 6.25 plus conveyance charge of 250. Coordinator for class 12, they are going to get 7.50 per answer book with conveyance charge of 250. Then clerk, they are going to get 200 rupees per day. Then class 4 employee, they are going to get 100 rupees per day. And as we have already seen for board examination duties, same for evaluation also, everyone will get refreshment as well as lunch charge of 75 rupees per day. So if we go here, like AHE is going to get this much plus 75 rupees then per day. Then same for AHE, this much per day. And for examiner and all, you need to plus 75 here in 250 into 25. Same way, all these things. So you can do the collections. So if you are a teacher, examiner, or work in a school, check your bank info, check your data, and make sure everything is submitted correctly before freezing. If you like this video, do hit like, share with other teachers, school, and subscribe for more update on CBSE or educational news. Leave a comment if you have question. I will try to help. Thanks for watching.